So I'm so excited. I'm here at the Queens Library. I'm going to be the first one to get the new Met card. I've been a Met fan since I've been a little girl. I used to go to Shea Stadium with my dad. And now today we're moving forward with the Mets going all over the place and really getting into the community. So I'm so excited to be here and to see some of the players and to get my library card. Reading is so important for our community and I'm so excited. Okay, so come on, follow me, guys. Let's go into the library. All my Met fans are here. My husband is here, and we're all ready to get our new Met cards. Early. This is my husband. We got here bright and early, and here's all the Met fans. And we're about to go in and get our cards.